In the next 24 hours, we are going to get earnings results from retailers, Canadian banks, some Chinese stocks, and tech. Tomorrow morning, Dollar Tree will report. The stock gapped to a low last quarter and subsequently filled it, indicating $134 is an important point. Despite evidence that the consumer is starting to trade down, there haven't been convincing data checks suggesting anything has changed for the company. Petco is nearing an oversold condition, but expectations are weak going into earnings. Estimates for OSI systems may be a tad frothy, but positive trends are expected to continue, and the trade is on the move out of the triangle. Also, who knew people loved stuffed bears so much? There are positive expectations going into Snowflake's earnings after the close today, but there is little to support the long trade at this point. Splunk, on the other hand, is expected to beat and is showing relative strength to Snowflake, not that they are comparable. Speaking of relative strength, NetApp has broken to a high and retested its previous resistance from last November before it disappointed. Unless the company says something unexpected, the stock is likely to continue higher. You already know this, but Nvidia is scheduled to report after the close today as well. Last quarter, they provided what we've called the greatest guidance announcement of all time. They are not going to repeat that, which makes the stock vulnerable to disappointing investors. But the company is still expected to report a beat and raise, which is statistically favorable going into earnings, and the stock is attempting new highs ahead of the news.
Shh.